hair like this. Oh my gosh, this video is supposed to be over, but let's just take a moment.
Hola, ¿no? Comienza, ¿no?
Alright, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Initially, this was gonna be a review video, but I've tried this product 4 times already, so I don't feel like it'd be genuine. So this is actually gonna be a demo video. I'm gonna show you guys how to best use this product for the best wash and go results. By the way, this is just my hair kind of drying up. No product in it yet. So this is the Eco Style Professional Styling Gel. Ooh, look at that. I think this product is most known for being gold and also for being $18, which, let me tell you guys now, it was $6 at my beauty supply store, not $18. I think people who got it, like who pre-ordered it or like got it before it actually came out in stores, had to pay $18. Maybe I can get a clip of that in this video. I don't know if I'll be back at the beauty supply store soon enough to go show you guys. But yeah, this is the Eco Style Professional Styling Gel. It has olive oil, shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed. So it has max shine, max hold. It's for all hair types and it's totally alcohol free. So it says it shines, holds, moisturizes, nourishes, repairs, promotes hair growth, no flake, no tack, and anti-itch. Everything, it says this is everything your hair needs in one styling gel. Eco Style Gold Styling Gel brings together the greatest elements of our top products. Perfect. So yeah, I'm not gonna read this because it's a lot. So let's get started with this demo. I'm gonna work on the back first and come to the front. I don't wanna do sides because if I do one side and the other side, my hair will like, I just don't want one side of my hair drier than the other. I'm gonna section off this front part of my hair. We're not gonna pay attention to what I do right now. And we are going to work on the back section. So I'm gonna split this in half now. Take this up down. Ooh. My hair is so soft and detangled right now.
Alright, so I'm gonna section off a row of hair and I'm gonna start by dampening it with just using my hands and the water from my sink. This is just how I prefer to do it. Then I'm going to follow up by applying the Eco Style Gold Gel. And I'm going to use my Denman Brush to detangle. And we're going to just add a bit more product for any product that may have been lost. Here I'm literally just separating my hair and just adding product to any parts that seem a bit drier or seem like they need more product. So I do have the olive oil Eco Style Gel, and that's because I like to use that to just slick my edges down and smooth my roots. So you may see me dip my hand into that, but as you'll see, that's only for my edges. So again, I'm doing the same thing. I'm wetting my hair and I'm sectioning off a piece, applying the product, and then working it through.
So the first time I did my hair with this product, my hair was drenched, soaking wet. I just applied the product on top with a little bit more water and I had the perfect wash and go. I'll probably insert a clip somewhere now, maybe, who knows. The second time I did it, I let my hair air dry a little bit. I used a spray bottle to dampen my hair and I applied the product and it came out good. Not as great as the first time and it was a little bit crunchy. Third time I did it, I actually filmed it and it came out crunchy as fuck. Because I let my hair dry completely. I barely put any water on it. I just put the product on and it came out crunchy. And I feel like one thing that people forget with this product is at the end of the day, this is still a gel. So although it might be a moisturizing gel, it might have like, you know, it might have give you shine and things like that and no flake, it's still a gel. So we still kind of want to treat it as a gel and apply the product accordingly. So with other products, I can do my hair in a more dry state and it comes out well. But with this product, I think it will come out best if my hair is complete. As I said before, normally my hair, I do it right when I get out the shower, but I wanted to actually have some clothes on for this video. So you can use a spray bottle to get your hair kind of like wet, but I find that it works best if your hair is drenched. So I just lean over the sink and, you know, kind of like throw water on it. Alright guys, I'm back. So it's probably been about an hour since I finished my hair. I just did my makeup and I was just kind of like getting ready for the day. And this is how my hair looks right now. I would say it probably has like the lightest layer of like crunch on it, but not really. Just certain areas. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna blow dry my hair just to stretch it a little bit. I want a little bit more length from this wash and go. So I'll show you guys how I do that, and then later on in the day I'll come back and show you guys how my hair kind of came out after it completely dried. So by the way, I am going to blow dry my hair on high and warm just because I want to dry faster. Like, I don't really care about frizz. I don't mind frizz, so I'm not too pressed to do a cool setting. But alright, here we go. So I'm going to stop blow drying right here. Kind of let my hair air dry throughout the day. Okay, so it's been about probably 3 to 4 hours since I did my wash and go. And this is how my hair turned out. So I feel like it's just a little frizzy. I think it's because it's kind of like sitting outside and I don't know. And then this guy, it's kind of front, he gave up on life. He said, fuck it. You don't have to have a good wash and go today. But this is what I have. And given that like this is actually like the first product that's worked for me for wash and go, you know, this is good enough for me. Like, this is wonderful. It's soft. It's holding. But I honestly think this wash and go looks perfect. And as I said, this gel is only like $6. I think it's like $6.78. And I'm about like, it's like I'm about like a third of the way through it. And I forgot to record. Anyways, I'm about a third of the way through it. And oh yeah, this is how much is left. But yes, I love my wash and go. I didn't even deep condition my hair. I washed my hair, I conditioned it, I rinsed the conditioner out, got the shower, let it air dry a little bit. I didn't use any sort of leave-in conditioner, which I think if I did, it wouldn't have hurt me at all. Maybe I'd have a little less like separation and frizz over here. But this product by itself honestly got the job done. So if you want like more updates on how my hair looks after this wash and go, you can also follow my Instagram. I'm actually really excited to like try and demo other products. So if there are like any like curly hair, like natural wash and go products that you guys want me to try and like demo, comment that down below. Y'all, I'm really feeling myself right now, honestly. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is actually my second time filming this, and I just love how it came out, and I love how my hair came out. I hope you guys love this video and love my hair too. But thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video.